The School of Natural Sciences and Mathematics Career Success Center uses a robust career services platform called Handshake. Handshake provides undergraduate students, graduate students, and alumni access to a variety of tools and resources. Students and alumni may use Handshake to schedule an in-person, telephone, or virtual appointment to discuss their unique career development needs, or to explore employer recruiting events that may be held on campus or off campus. Or they may want to register for a career readiness workshop. In addition, students can use Handshake to learn more about UTD career fairs and start looking through the hundreds of open job and internship positions that are available and begin the application process. Log in today at utdallas.joinhandshake.com to begin using this great resource that is sure to help you in your career development journey.